people, welcome to Night Out Notes. In today's video, we'll understand one of the most important concept, log-based protocol in concurrency control techniques. First, we'll understand what is concurrency. Concurrency is nothing but multiple transactions are executing in the same time. Like so many transactions are happening in a same time is nothing but this concurrency. Concurrency control is nothing but managing those simultaneous transactions happening in a same time. Like it is a process of managing simultaneous executions of multiple transactions in a shared database. In real life, we can say that two peoples are using the same bank account. Like some person is withdrawing some amount and some person is depositing some amount. In both transactions, updating the balance without coordination. The final balance may become incorrect, right? Because there is no coordination in between. Somebody is depositing some amount, somebody is withdrawing some amount. So DBMS controls how transactions need to be executed. This process is called as concurrency control technique. We are having three main types of concurrency controls: log-based protocol, timestamp based protocol, validation based protocol. In today's video, we'll focus only on this log-based protocol. What is log? Log is nothing but a simple mechanism that controls the access to data. Like it is used by DBMS to control the access of data during concurrent execution. During the multiple execution, it can control the access of the data. Simply, we can say that we are locking our home when we are going outside or something like that. It is generally used to prevent the unauthorized access in that, right? So that this is generally used. It is simply like a door lock which we use. In the DBMS, we use this lock system here. Next. Log-based protocol. It is a set of rules that controls when transaction can lock and unlock data items. Like it is a set of rules that tells transaction when they can lock the data item and when they should unlock it. All these things will be said by this log-based protocol. Log means simply a protection. Protocols means rules. Like here, we are using this log for protection purpose. And this protocol rules. Just remember this so that you can easily derive the definition, right? We are having three main types of locks inside this log-based protocol: binary lock, shared lock or S lock, exclusive lock or X lock. Binary lock. Binary lock allows a data item to only have two states, like locked state and unlocked state. Looking into the term binary only, we'll understand this thing like zeros and ones, right? So it is also having locked means 1 and unlocked means 0. One transaction can only happen inside this at a single time. Let's consider a simple example. Suppose a person willing to withdraw the money from his bank account. So he need to do some transaction, right? So transaction 1. First the amount, the person will enter into that and the account will be locked state. Like locked. So that nobody can access it. Like logged A, because a person named A, we are thinking like that. Then he is reading what is there in, he is just reading, like he is just checking what are the amount he is having inside his bank account. Next he is writing, like for withdrawing purpose, he is willing to take A is equals to A minus 1000 rupees. Suppose a person A is having 5000 in his bank account, he is taking 1000 rupees from his account. Unlock. Next, commit, because the transaction was successfully done, so that we are using this commit command. This is what happens inside the binary lock. Next, we are having shared lock. It allows multiple transactions to read the same data simultaneously. Like in the shared lock, multiple transactions can see what is happening, like can read the amount which is having in the bank account, but cannot modify this, like it does not allow the transactions to write or modify the data. Multiple transactions can read the same data at a single time. However, no transactions can modify it, right? That's what I have said in that. Let's consider a single example. We are having 3 transactions with us. Like a single person having multiple accounts. Consider this example. A single person having multiple accounts willing to check his balance. So that he just need to read the balance account, right? He does not check what are all the things having inside and he cannot modify things. He just willing to check his balance. So that the transaction, first S lock. And the things need to be read. Amount which is having inside can be readed in that. Next, unlock. In the same time, the transaction 2 and transaction 3 can also view this, like read this. So that the same thing will be happen inside it also. Lock A and read A and then unlock. Slock A, read A. Since all the transactions can only read the data simultaneously but cannot change those data, so each transaction release those lock after reading that. Each of them are unlocking C. After reading only, each of them are unlocking. This is what the shared lock says. Next, exclusive lock, which can also be called as this X lock. It allows only one transaction to read and write a data item. No other transaction can read or write until the lock is released. Like one transaction need to be completed, like it need to be unlocked, then only another transaction can read or write that operation. In one operation, if it was locked and it is performing some operations like read or write, whatever it may be, no other transaction can read or write the same data. Like transaction 1 is willing to update the employee details and transaction 2 want to access the same data. So here first X lock happens. Like nobody can see that, right? So that it is using the X lock here, and it is reading the amount, which amount is having inside, and writing. Like A is equals to A plus 5,000 because he is updating, right? After that, unlock and commit. Until the transaction of T1 is completed, T2 is waiting. T2 is in its waiting position. Like it also has its X lock A, and it wait until the transaction is committed. After the transaction is committed, it can go and it can watch. Yeah, that's all about log based protocol. Hope you like this video. Until then, don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more informative videos like this. If you found this video really helpful, please like and share. Meet you in another video. Bye bye.